What if your business ran itself? I mean, seriously, is that even possible? Can you imagine not doing admin? Can you imagine not having to sit with heaps of paperwork? Like, can you imagine all of this happening in the background while you are sipping your favorite coffee and maybe having a walk on the beach? Well, this is possible now with AI. I'm Claire, your AI automation coach, your life coach, your business coach. That's going to get you more time and money freedom. That gets you to do and have the life you've always wanted. So let's get back to the question. Is it even possible? Yes, any repetitive task that you have been doing admin wise can be automated. Nowadays, we are building agents, and agents can do anything. It can research, it could type, it could fill in forms, it could send emails, it could respond to emails, and the list goes on. One of the favorite things that we built was for a client who has a massive database. And every time somebody would come into the business, what happened was it was a lot of training and a lot of manpower that went into training that person. And after a few months, that person might want to leave because they're not a good fit and he'd have to start again. And every single time it took time and patience from the people there. So they created a database. And in this database, what they did was they put things like SOPs, what to do when. They made videos of themselves training. So now, when new onboarding people came into the business, they literally could go into the files, ask the questions, where do I find that? How do I do this? A video would come up and it would play that for them. Can you imagine how many hours they saved? Well, yes, of course you can, because now you're sitting going, oh, that what potential in my business. Well, that's exactly what AI can do for you. But because it's new, we don't normally know. Or what if you had a pile of papers with all your little slips that you were doing for your business? You could take a photo, and guess what? It fills out that entire database for you and sends it to your accountant. Does that sound good? There's so much. Yes, your business can run on autopilot. I've created a course for you, 12 weeks, called Fast Track to Freedom. If you want to learn how to do it you yourself for your business and your team, there it is for you, or we have done for your options. If you want more, ask below. Fast Track to Freedom. We'll send you some more information. Looking forward to seeing you soon.